To pan fry salmon, first pat the salmon dry with a paper towel and let it come to room temperature for about 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of olive oil to a large nonstick skillet and heat it over medium-low heat. Season the salmon with salt and pepper. When the oil is hot but not smoking, add the salmon to the skillet, skin side up, and turn the heat to a medium-high. Cook the salmon for 4 minutes or until it's golden brown on one side. To keep the fillet flat as it cooks, press down on it evenly with a spatula. Finally, flip the salmon and cook it for 3 more minutes. Transfer the salmon to a plate and enjoy.